My name is Prajnalika. My name is Teshika. I am studying in UKG. My name is Vachanashri.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita award winners from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Shivarankaran, Masi Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokar, Ivaranandamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Sataya, Assam, Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Daniya, Gujarat, Hechadana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals, January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
Seven Wonders of India.
Seven Wonders of India. Gomateshwara in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Korhasan Temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: ऋग्वेदा, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishads: Ishavasa Upanishads, Kela Upanishads, Kanda Upanishads, Mundaka Upanishads, Mandukya Upanishads, Aittaya Upanishads, Taittiriya Upanishads, Chandogya Upanishads, Rotaranyaka Upanishads.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Vahara, Nasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Asia, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Kartik Roshan.
States and capitals.
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Idanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhuban. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Reykjavik. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Kellari, Bidar. Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban. Belagavi, Chamarajanagar. Chikkaballapura, Chikkaduರ್ಗ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ. ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಗದಗ. ಹಾಸನ, ಹಾವೇರಿ. ಕಲಬುರಗಿ, ಕೊಡಗು. ಕೋಲಾರ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ. ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಮೈಸೂರು. ರಾಮನಗರ, ರಾಯಚೂರು. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ತುಮಕೂರು. ಉಡುಪಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ. ವಿಜಯಪುರ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿ.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals. ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ, ನವರಾತ್ರಿ. ದಸರಾ, ದೀಪಾವಳಿ. ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್. ಈದ್, ಹೋಳಿ. ಮೊಹರಂ. ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Durgabai Deshmukh. Aruna Safari. Sucheta Kripalini. Kitturani Chennamma. Kellari Chennamma. Onake Obbava. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Sarojini Naidu. Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus. Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar month.
Hindu lunar month. Chaitra, Vashaka, Jesha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Margashira, Push.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments. Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Meg Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Indian dynasties.